Having trouble with this package failure error while trying to install or update apps on your Windows device? This error typically happens due to corrupted system files, failed app installations, or issues with the Windows Store cache. But don't worry, in this video, we'll walk you through simple step-by-step solutions to fix this issue and get your apps running smoothly again. For this, go to Search and type Settings and select it from the list. Next, click on Apps. Then click on Apps and Features. Then click on the app which is showing packing failures issue. Click on Modify button. Click on Next. Check in Repair and then select Next button. Click on Update. Just wait for some time to complete this process. Click on Finish, and now try to open that failure app and you should be able to open it. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.